Hello, my friends. I welcome all you back to my Southern Kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Where are my chocoholics out there? Have I got a treat for y'all? Today is World Chocolate Day. I'm going to share with all of y'all a great chocolate dessert recipe that will satisfy your sweet tooth. We're going to make chocolate pizza. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, chocolatey, decadent, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and you will be going back for seconds. This is a chocolate lover's dessert, and I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more dessert recipes, check out my dessert recipes playlist and my previous video, Mixed Berry Cookie Cups. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pizza dough, your chocolate chips, and your Nutella sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate pizza magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our yeast. In my measuring cup, I have a half a cup of warm water. And into our water, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. And give it a quick stir. And my water was at 110 degrees. So now we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. All right, my friends, our yeast has dissolved. Now we're ready to make our dough. In my stand mixer, we're going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. And using my dough hook, we're going to mix all these together. All right, my friends. Next, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to add in our yeast mixture. We're going to mix them together. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing up my dough. This is what it looks like. Now we're ready to knead it. So I'm going to dust some flour onto my work surface. And we're going to knead it a few times until it forms a ball. And you can always add more flour if needed. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish kneading up my dough, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through kneading my dough, and I got into a ball. That looks great. Now we're ready to place it into our bowl. We're going to place it in my large bowl, and I sprayed it with cooking spray, or you could brush it with oil. And I'm just going to rub it all around so the cooking spray can get all over the dough. So now we're going to cover it. You can use a kitchen towel or plastic wrap. We're going to place it in the warm place in the oven or the microwave, and we're going to let it rise for about 1 hour until it doubles in size. All right, I'll see you in an hour. All right, my friends, our dough has risen. So now I'm going to punch a hole in the middle to release the air. So now I'm going to dust some flour onto my work surface. So now I have placed my dough onto my flour surface. I'm going to knead it. All right, so now I'm going to flour my rolling pan. Going to roll it to about All right, so now I'm going to flip it onto the other side. And again, roll it. Alrighty, perfect. So now I'm going to remove my dough. And we're going to place it onto my pizza pan. And if you don't have a pizza pan, you can make this on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper or silicone mat. Now I'm going to use my fingers to spread it like so. Alrighty. And over here I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. I'm just going to brush it on top of the dough. So when it come out of the oven, it gives us a nice golden brown. Okie dokie, now we're ready to put our piece of dough in the oven. Oven's preheated to 450 degrees, and we're going to let it bake for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my dough out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown that is? Now it's time for the fun part. Time to add on the chocolate. Over here, I have a half a cup of Nutella, which is chocolate hazelnut spread. We're just going to spread it all over the hot piece of dough. Oh yes, sugar. Gonna be fantastic. Of dark chocolate chips. Sprinkle all over. Some milk chocolate chips. And white chocolate chips. Just sprinkle it on top. And the white chocolate stands out to the dark colors. Oh, I'm in chocolate heaven right now. My mouth's watering. Look at that money shot, my friends. Look at all that chocolate. So now we're going to place it back in the oven, the same temperature, 450, for another minute so all the chocolate chips can slowly melt. My friends, look at this beautiful chocolate pizza. I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. This is optional. I'm going to add on some chopped peanuts, or you can use hazelnuts or walnuts, whatever your heart desire, just to give it a little crunch. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Chocolate pizza. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to cut it into slices, and I'll fix me up a plate, and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Oh my Lord. The dough is perfectly cooked, chewy, and the Nutella and the chocolate chip just melts in your mouth. And I love that crunch from the peanuts. This is a marvelous chocolate pizza, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Chocolate pizza-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.